If your dinner plans look bland, you're in for a treat. Let's spice things up with some easy momos. First, let's gather our ingredients. You need some minced meat or veggies, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and a dash of salt and pepper. Got 'em? Great. Next, mix everything in a bowl. Now, we're ready for the wrappers. You can buy pre-made ones or make your own, but we're keeping it simple today, so pre-made it is. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of each wrapper. Fold the wrapper in half, pinch the edges together, and make sure they're sealed tight. Think of it like tucking in a cozy blanket snug and secure. Steam them for about 10-15 minutes. You'll know they're done when they look plump and slightly translucent. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce and voila! Delicious momos ready in no time. Quick, easy, and oh so satisfying. Perfect for a cozy night in or impressing your friends. Happy cooking!